Alright, here's a simple, neutral comparison of India versus Pakistan air power. Mainly focusing on fighter aircraft since you usually ask about jets. India main fighter aircraft. Top jets. Rafale 4.5 Gen Advanced Multirole. Su-30 OMKI Heavy Air Superiority Fighter. Tejas Mk-1 a modern indigenous fighter. MiG-9 UPG and Mirage 2000 strengths. Larger Air Force size. Heavy long-range fighters. Advanced Western plus Russian tech mix. Strong strike capability weakness. Mixed fleet equals complex logistics and maintenance. Pakistan main fighter aircraft. Top jets. JF-17 Thunder Block 3. F-16 Fighting Falcon. J-1 OC Modern Chinese Multirole. Mirage 3. V older but upgraded strengths. Modern AESA radar on newer jets. Strong pilot training reputation. Unified and smaller fleet equals easier maintenance. Modern Chinese missile tech placed to 15 etc. Weakness. Smaller total numbers.